Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you are new around here, I'm Maria. What I do on this channel is clean, decorate, and organize content. If you're into content like that, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button, as well as give me a thumbs up for this video. Like, comment, and share. And to the new subscribers, welcome to the family. We are glad to have you. And to my regular degulas, my day one, my VIP subbies, thank you for tuning in always to watch my content. And yeah, if you haven't already subscribed and this is not your first time on my channel, I do create premium, clean, decorate, and organized content, so go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We're also a very loving and inclusive family in this corner of YouTube. All right, so I'm going to be doing another weekly laundry routine video today, and in addition to that, I had to restock. So I'm going to show you guys what I got for my laundry room. So I like to use Tide Pods. So I got some Tide Pods, and I was out of laundry sanitizer, so got some Lysol laundry sanitizer, and I got some bleach because you know this is a household staple, not just for laundry. I also got OxyClean, and I'm adding something new to my laundry routine. This is Arm & Hammer. It's baking soda. So it says super washing soda, household cleaner, pure and natural. I'm slowly transitioning to natural products. And basically it does boost your laundry detergent, so helps to make your clothes cleaner. So I'm gonna add that to the laundry today as well. Yeah, if you're looking for laundry motivation and inspiration, this is where you need to be. You found the right channel, and I hope you fall in love with me and keep coming back to watch more of my content. So I'm gonna go to the laundry room right now. I have a load of laundry to do. I'm gonna put these in their respective containers. I should do a video on how I organize my laundry room. Yeah, that video will be coming soon. Yeah. All right, let's go to the laundry room. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the laundry that I have to do today. I have the clothes on the ground. As a matter of fact, I did put away the laundry cleaner, and I need to put my Tide in first, and my OxyClean. Recording. Sometimes I don't know, the camera does weird things sometimes, so I have to keep checking on it. And I'm going to use my scented beads because I love how it makes the clothes smell. I love how it makes the laundry smell. So I got that in. I got my good old faithful laundry sanitizer. And then this baking soda. It's not open. hard to open. So I had to use my scissors, the part that you hold, and jam it in there to break the seal. Then so I could gauge how much I'm using, I'm gonna use this. I think that should be good. So I have to have my oxy clean. Definitely gonna put this in a container, because if this if this turns over, it's gonna make a mess. I need a container to put that in. But yeah, so I got all my cleaning products in the washing machine. So now I'm gonna start loading the washing machine. So while the bottom one's going, I'm gonna wash this in the top load. This is my first time wearing this. I'm gonna wash it in the top load. I put in this top load? I don't have anything else to put in the top load. I just feel like sometimes because I watch like just one piece, I'm wasting my laundry detergent, but it's okay because I don't want to run the risk of my clothes running on my other clothes. So that's what I do, just to make sure that it doesn't run if it's my first time washing it. So I'm gonna let before I can let it run, I need to start it. I am tired. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna do warm. Yeah, I'm gonna do warm and start. All right, guys. There's a frog in my throat. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this laundry motivation and inspirational video. I hope you did find it motivating and inspiring. And if you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to, before you leave, smash that subscribe button, thumbs up, like, thumbs up, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.